Microsoft SQL Server installation. In this video, you will learn how to install SQL Server. So now open a browser, go to Google and search for Microsoft SQL Server download. Now you can find SQL Server download from Microsoft website. So click on it. So now here you can see download for SQL Server 2017 for Windows. So here one free trial evaluation and developer edition and express edition. So download the developer edition, as the SQL Server 2017 developer is a full-featured free edition licensed for use as a development and test database in non-production environment. So click on download now and save the file. Now double click on the file which got downloaded, that is SQL Server 2017 SSEI dev. Then click on yes. Here you will see three options: basic, custom and download media. So click on custom. So it will automatically take one media location where it will download further files. So make sure while you are installing, you are connected with your internet. Now click on install. So based on the internet connection speed, it will take time to download the files. So now click on install. So once the file got downloaded, you can see that download success. It may take some time to bring the further installation things, so just wait for that. So now as you can see on your left hand side, that is planning installation. So click on installation, then click on new SQL Server standalone installation or add a feature to existing installation. So you can see, please wait. So now here you can see that specify free edition, enter the product is. So there's no need to do anything. Click on next and check the checkbox I accept the license terms and click on next. So here we got one warning like Windows firewall. So it's not an issue. So just click on next. Here we can see that instance features, database engine services, SQL Server replication, data quality surveys, polybase, analytics, machine learning server, data quality, client tool connectivity, integration services, client tool backward compatibility, client tools SDK. So master data services. So we can just select database engine services and click on next. So here we got like we have to provide some named instance. So you can specify any name for your SQL server, as this is the instance that you will be using to connect your SQL server. So I'm just naming it Shekhar SQL and then click on next. Now click on next. here we got like authentication mode, Windows authentication mode, and mixed mode. So check on the mixed mode and specify a password. So you can specify any password that you like. Then click on add current user. Then click on next. Now click on install. So now we got a message like install successful. So let's close it. So once the installation is complete, now we have to install SQL Server management tools. So SQL Server management tool is the GUI that we will be using to connect to our database, to create database tables, procedures. So click on install SQL Server management tools. So now it will take you to the Microsoft website where we can download SQL Server Management Studio. So click on the download SQL Server Management Studio and click on save files. So SSMS underscore setup UNU, that is the file which we downloaded. So now double click on it. Now click on yes. So now here we got Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Welcome, click install to begin. So click on install. So now we got setup completed. All specified component have been installed successfully. So now let's close it. So now we can close this. So now go to your start. Then find for Microsoft SQL Server 2017. So here we can find that Microsoft SQL Server 2017 it got installed. And here Microsoft SQL Server Tools 17. Here we can find that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 17. So click on that. So now it can take several minutes. So here now we got the SQL Server. So where we can see that database engine, server name, authentication, login and password. So now if you click on the server name, if browse for more, then database engine. So here the name that we created, Shaker SQL. So click on OK. So the authentication mode we can use either Windows authentication or we can use the SQL Server authentication. So the default login name is SA and the password while installing the password that you have specified it. Click on connect. So now database is now expanded. So our SQL Server installation is completed.